I just got my Dinnerly box, which is like a food subscription where they give you certain amounts of, whether it's 3 to 5 days worth of food. I got 3 days worth of food. So some pita breads. Oops, I dropped an apple. Parsley. So this is just enough to make what you need. I just have to work out what's for what, but because they don't divide them. So this is, I think this is celery. Not sure. Got an onion, red onion, 2 tomatoes, two potatoes. I don't know if this is worth the money I paid for it. Doesn't look very exciting, and you have to go online with the recipes as well. Diced tomatoes. Hope it gets better than this. So like some stock or something. Maybe the meat is in here in this one. So in here is arborio rice, smoky barbecue seasoning. Yeah, Hello Fresh is more expensive because they actually give you the little cards, whereas with this you have to go online for the recipe. Italian seasoning. So this is the meats. So there's one vegetarian dish in here for me, which is the arborio rice. And I'm just going to put my phone down so I can open the bag. And so there's 2 veggie dishes for everyone else. I mean, meat dishes and 1 veggie dish for me. Actually, this is worth it. So you get your chicken. This alone would probably be worth $9 in the shop. So yeah, I'm quite happy now that I've seen the meat. Very happy. Beef mince. Goat's cheese. Oh, this is for my arborio rice. Goat's cheese. Yeah, I can't complain. This definitely worth it. Traditional pesto. And or cheddar. Right. So the only downfall to this is you have to, they don't, and it comes with the ice. Yeah, they don't kind of split them off into little sections, so you have to go online and work